Cześć, witam Was serdecznie w Szybeniku. Jesteśmy w biurze operatora czarterowego Odyssey Yachting i przeprowadzimy krótki wywiad z menadżerem bazy Anną Pulicz, która na co dzień pracuje z klientami i wydaje, przyjmuje jachty, załatwia wszystkie formalności i sprawę czarterowania jachtów zna od podszewki. Anna udzieli Wam kilku wskazówek, co zrobić, żeby Wasze wakacje na jachcie przebiegły jak najprzyjemniej i żeby było jak najmniej problemów i żeby wszystko było super. Anna, oddaję Ci głos.
Dear client, we would like to give you some useful tips for your sailing holiday in Croatia on our boats in charter. So, what we think? We think that the most important thing is detailed check-in. In detailed check-in, you have opportunity to ask anything you need about the boat, its equipment, places where to go, what to see, what to eat, for example. And this can help you during your sailing week because you will have much more time for enjoying. As we are very busy on Saturdays, almost all clients are coming at the same day. Detailed check-in is something where you can help us by checking the boat by your own, and then if you will have some misunderstandings or some questions, you can always talk to us and ask. I think that the good thing is also that you can communicate with us in based on Croatian, English and Polish language, so you can have detailed check-in procedure in your language, in this case on Polish if you prefer so. You can find our details and mobile phones on the first page in your boat documents. If anything happens to you or some unexpected situations, it will be the best to contact us, so we will help you the best we can at the moment, and we promise that we will do it very, very quick. Wish you nice holidays in Croatia i dobrodošli u Hrvatsku.
Hvala lijepa, Anna. Te informacje, mam nadzieję, przydadzą Wam się kiedyś. Do zobaczenia na wodzie. Podobał Ci się nasz film? Daj łapkę w górę i zasubskrybuj nasz kanał.